This is cool new kit from Mercury Marine. Should we find out more?
How could you be? But with that, Tim's going to what we have out there, not from just the product side, but also the facility.
So here she is, the 400 V10, also available as a 350. An awesome next generation to take the L6 and V8 into a whole new era. This works as a really good stepping stone as well from the V8 to the V12. This features a new gear case, a new prop, new displacement, and it's just a little bit over 300 kilos. So its power to weight ratio is awesome, and they've said that it will outperform anything else in its segment. So over the next few days, I'm going to be testing it on a whole range of craft. Come join me. It's going to be an awesome day.